Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q7 trunk with your foot using the easy method. This clever feature allows you to access your trunk without needing to use your hands, which is incredibly helpful when you're carrying groceries or other items. We'll go through the simple steps to activate this convenient function, ensuring you can master it in just a few moments. It's designed for maximum ease and efficiency. Before attempting to open the trunk, it's crucial to have your Audi Q7 key fob with you. The system is designed for security, so it needs to detect the key's presence within a close proximity, typically about 3 feet from the rear bumper. This ensures that only you or someone with your key can open the trunk using this method. Always double-check your pockets or bag for the key. Now for the actual motion. Stand directly behind the center of your Audi Q7, facing the trunk. With your key fob on you, make a quick, single kicking motion under the center of the rear bumper. Think of it like a gentle, swift kick, not a prolonged hold. The sensor needs to detect this specific movement to register your intent. It's a brief, 1-second action. If the trunk doesn't open on your first try, don't worry. A common issue is the positioning or speed of the kick. Make sure your foot is centered under the bumper and the motion is swift but not aggressive. After the kick, take a small step back and wait 1 or 2 seconds for the trunk to respond. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be opening your Audi Q7 trunk effortlessly every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.